For those who don't know me, I unbox advent calendar every month. So every morning I wake up and I open one of the boxes, or it may be a door, and then I have a small treat for myself for the day. First, let's talk about the box. As you can see, it's black with sparkly silver and white. Sometimes the products were ridiculously much more small than the box itself. It's quite annoying. For comparison, I would like to show you my 2019 LookFantastic box. Personally, I like this box much better, and this one, as you already see, I'm saving it for future years, maybe for some present, and that box I will just throw it away. The beginning was quite impressive. It's Blush Glow Duo, so it's blush and highlighter from Natasha Denona. Yes, this duo, I use it every day because the colors are quite natural and they just suit for every day. That's why maybe you also see that it's a bit used, quite used. I had the whole month to use it. The next one, we got this highlighter brush, and it's, according to the internet, 24 euro. I would like kind of never pay this price, and I will send it to my sister. This shower gel is from Molton Brown London, so it's from the UK, and this brand is apparently famous for nice bath and shower things. It's quite expensive. For 300 milliliters you pay about 25 euro, and also you could buy an advent calendar from Molton Brown with just those bottles with the shower gel of different flavor. I wanted to say, but different smell. There would be shower gel or body lotion, etc. And the smell, it's amazing. It's not simple. You cannot say it smells with strawberry or rose. Let's see what they say it is. So just listen to this description. London via Yorkshire. A slice of crimson summer tart. Freshly picked roses on the pantry table, told you roses, scattered pastry crumbs and glossy ribbons of rhubarb stem. Rhubarb, I know because at home they make a rhubarb juice, or do you call it juice? But I know what rhubarb is, and I think that's why I love the smell. It just smells of rhubarb. Next we have this Radial cleanser for your face. What I want to say is just the packaging is very comfortable. You have this pump, you know, like for nail polish removers. You also have this pump. This is in size of 100 milliliters, so I think it's suitable for transporting, and it just costs about 20 euros from Radial, but I'm not sure I like it that much. Next one, we have the cream eyeshadow from Zena. So this one is made in Italy and it costs about 13 euro, but just look at the color. I already have about 3 eyeshadows of this color. One is enough. I don't find the color very cute. We have this deep conditioner for hair. It's from Philip Kingsley, and it's a deep condition treatment which you can leave in your hair even for the whole night, as I did this night. We received the same last year. So this conditioner is meant to make your hair less electricizable. We got this tonic from Ren. It reminded me very much of a tonic vinegar we got in Holland&Barrett's advent calendar, but it's not the same. This one I use almost every morning. It has this nice fresh citrus smell. Luckily it doesn't give me any allergy. It's for steady glow. We got this cleanser balm from Eve Lom. We also got it last year, but it was in a box with a towel you're supposed to use it with. I tried it. I don't think I succeeded. I don't know, maybe I just don't know how to use it because it's quite expensive. It's supposed to work very well, but for me it was sometimes not removing all the mascara I had. And we move further. We have this eye pencil in the classic black color. As you can see, I've already used it for quite a lot of times and just stayed on my eyes, didn't smear. The next one, we got the scrub from Rituals. These scrubs are quite gentle to my skin, and what they remind me when I put them on, it's just that I put some kind of sugar. This one, for example, it smells with sakura, so it has this very gentle smell. This one it's in a sample size. It's to put tan on your face skin. It's from Tan-Luxe. This one I've already used for a few times and it made me quite happy. It has this nice jelly texture, and the smell, it's also very pleasant, because I already had a few of those face tanning things, but every time they smelled ridiculous, not nice. I put it already, I think, for 4 times on my skin every evening, so I hope maybe there is some result. This lip gloss from Illamasqua. This gloss is made, unfortunately, in China, so for people who know me, they know that I don't use makeup and cosmetics from China. Just not only about the quality, but also about the conditions it's made in and the whole Chinese policy. It kind of reminds me of Elon Musk. Do you think they did it on purpose? Next one we have this sleeping mask, or how do you call it, and I will never use it. I will give you a reason, because you put it on your eyes, you want it to be of some very nice material, silk at least. I don't know what's nicer than silk. And this one, I have a feeling that it's polyester. It doesn't even say anything about what it is, so it's a gift for someone, but not a valuable gift. This cream, it was in the middle of the calendar, and I think it's kind of a highlight. It's from Elemis, and the price of it in the stores, it's about 70 and more euro. This is the night cream, so you're supposed to use it every evening, which honestly I did. I love this cream. The size is not very big, just 30 milliliters, and I'm scared it will be gone soon, because I use it every evening. The first week, every evening, I was looking so much forward to put this cream on my face, because the smell, it's fantastic. It's one of my favorite smell scents now. I cannot explain to you what the smell is. I also tried to find it in the description of the cream, but it just smells with a very nice luxurious cream. So the next one, it's vitamin C serum, fragrance free. You can say it's a moisturizer. It's from Ecooking, and by the way, I made a video about Ecooking unboxing, so you can check it out here. And here we have Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, which is just a lotion for your body, which makes you more sleepy, I guess, because it's with chamomile smell, and it's from thisworks. It's also kind of sleeping therapy, and this one is 100 milliliters and it costs 25 euros, so it's quite expensive. And here we have a product from Hungary. We also received something last year from this brand. It's Omorovica. Yeah, so it's from Budapest, and this one, I think it's kind of exfoliator, though it doesn't say so. This small bottle of 15 milliliters, it costs around, I think, 17 euro if you transform the price from the full size. And it's quite expensive for Hungary, so I suppose it's a very good brand, and I think my family would appreciate it. The next one, it's mattifying primer. So it's a primer basically for makeup, and because I don't do much makeup, I don't use primers, and I sent every primer to my sister. It's from Sleek Makeup, and unfortunately it's made in China. Made in China, it means I will give it as a bonus small present as addition to something else. I think I've heard a lot about Anastasia Beverly Hills. Never used it. I think it's over advertised brand. So this one, it's mascara. I've already opened it and used it for a few times. It's obviously a volume mascara, as you know. I don't like volume mascaras a lot. And this small tiny tube of 5 milliliters, it costs 11 euro, which I think is very expensive and just not worth it. Then we got this Clay Away body cleanser. So it's kind of a shower gel, but it's not. It's called Wash and Mask. So you can use it as shower gel, or you could put it on your body 2 minutes before the shower, kind of as a mask, and then in the shower you rinse it off. I tried both ways, and it just seems to me not worth all the trouble. I don't think I like it that much. It's from Mio, and it has this menthol smell. Next door, and one of the last doors in this advent calendar, it's an wrinkle correction cream from Laboratories Filorga Paris. It's called Time Filler, and you would say it's such a small sample tube of 15 milliliters, but the full-size product is not much bigger. It's maybe 3 times bigger than this, and it costs 45 euro, the full size. Here we have some purifying gel cleanser from Caudalie. I think I have some tonic from Caudalie Paris from last year, and I like how it smells. This one is made in France, and it is 5 times smaller than the full-size product, and the full-size product costs 16 euros. I think it's not that expensive. I actually look forward to use it. Avant. This is a mask for your face. It's a firming, revitalizing mask. And this product, I think it's the most expensive in this advent calendar. 50 milliliters, and it costs about 80 euro. So I guess it's a luxurious, expensive brand. But I've already had a product from the last advent calendar. I don't remember, Goodiebox or LookFantastic, and it just didn't work for me. It was a night cream, and every time it just caused some rashes on my face in the morning. I think so now I will not even open it. I will just send it to my mother, and if she has some allergy she can just throw it away, but it's so expensive, so let's hope it will work for her. Next one, we have this brow pencil from Lord&Berry. It has 2 sides, as you can see. On one there is this pencil with color, and on the other there is brush. Somehow I think this is a sample size. It cannot be that the pencil is so small. And here we come to our last product from this box. It is quite expensive, 65 euro for this moisturizer. It's a 55 milliliters, and it's made in England. It says that it should work 24 hours, balancing the moisture in your skin on your face. The texture is watery oily. Somehow the smell reminds me of some medicine. I hope then if it reminds me of the medicine, maybe it's a very good treatment for my skin. This one, it's the last in this advent calendar, and as a conclusion, I will say I was not very much thrilled with this advent calendar. I was pretty much disappointed. There are obvious advantages. Almost all of the products, they are made somewhere in Europe or the USA, so you receive some good quality products which are of high prices normally in the retailing stores, and you pay around 100 euro for this advent calendar, and according to my calculation you receive around 470 euro worth of products. And in this advent calendar, honestly, that there are a lot of things which I don't need, I don't use, I don't like. I have a lot of, but I think it's one of the best advent calendars out there, so I think it's worth try it next year as well. And for now, have a good day or night.